this video I will show you how to keep turning down the volume on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration and click on volume. And if you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off media volume limit. After turn off media volume limit, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset, click on factory data reset and click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, so please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.